Imagine a city with no roads, no cars, and zero carbon emissions. Now, imagine this city is a single, continuous line stretching at 170 kilometers across a scorched desert.
This isn't a scene from a Hollywood sci-fi movie.
This is the line, a
$2 trillion megalopolis.
being carved into the sands of Saudi Arabia. It's part of NEOM, the most ambitious, expensive,
And controversial construction project in human history.
but why is the Saudi crown prince betting the future of his kingdom on a...
Mirror-walled skyscraper in the middle of nowhere?
Is this the blueprint for the future of humanity?
Or a $2 trillion ghost city in the making?
Stay tuned, because what's happening in the desert right now is crazier than you think. The line is designed to house 9 million people. To put that in perspective, that's the entire population of New York City, squeezed into a footprint of just 34 square kilometers. The structure consists of two parallel, mirror-faced buildings. 500 meters tall, that's higher than the Empire State Building, and only 200 meters wide.
Inside, everything is built on a concept called zero-gravity urbanism. This means schools,
Hospitals, parks, and offices are layered vertically. Everything you need is just a 5-minute walk away. But how do you move 9 million people without cars?
The secret lies in the spine. A high-speed rail tucked beneath the ground will transport you from one end of
The city to the other in just 20 minutes.
We are talking about speeds exceeding 500 kilometers per hour.
But there's more. The entire city will be managed by a sophisticated artificial intelligence. This AI will monitor energy use, waste management,
And even predict the needs of its citizens using real-time data.
no cars means no traffic, no accidents, and 100% renewable energy. The city will be powered entirely by wind, solar, and hydrogen energy, making it the first large-scale carbon-neutral settlement on Earth. Building a sci-fi city in a desert comes with a massive price tag. Critics call it an environmental disaster waiting to happen. Imagine a 170-kilometer-long mirror wall.
Experts warn it could disrupt ancient migratory paths for millions of birds.
Then there's the heat,
The Arabian sun is brutal.
and a glass-walled box could act like a giant greenhouse. To solve this, engineers are designing a natural ventilation system that uses the coastal breeze to keep the city at a perfect temperature year-round. Who is this really for?
Is this a functional city for the masses?
Or a luxury playground for the world's elite?
Recent satellite images show that construction is moving at an incredible pace.
Thousands of trucks are moving millions of tons of earth every single day. This isn't just a building.
It's a social experiment on a global scale.
But here is the real question. If you were offered a chance to be one of the first residents of the line, would you move there?